Hey Limers, it's Fee. And guess what? I heard that some of you are getting ready to go back to school. Is that true? I hope that you are so excited because I know I am. But going back to school is a big deal. There's so much to get ready for, but I know that it's going to be super fun and really exciting. Do you guys want some help getting ready for your first day of school? No problem. I'm here to help you and give you all the tips and tricks that you need to know before your big first day. The first rule of going back to school is simple. Follow the rules. Rules help to make sure that everyone in our classroom, in our school, stays safe, has fun, and everything is fair for all of us that are in the building. It's really important to follow the rules. And know that if you don't follow the rules, there'll be pretty serious consequences, and we don't want that. Following the rules is very important. Our next rule when starting school is to be kind. Everyone is there to learn and have a great time, and we are also there to help each other. So whenever you see a friend that's in need or may need some help, be kind, because that's what building a very fun and healthy community is all about. I don't know much about you, but this is my favorite part about getting ready for school: eating. Before school, you should always make sure to have something yummy in your tummy, whether it's a banana, cereal, oatmeal, something to get ready to jumpstart your day, and even a very healthy lunch. Lunch is that middle of the day time that makes sure that you keep on going to make it to the end, because school is so much fun and so exciting. We have to make sure that we're energized. So packing a healthy lunch, a healthy snack, and starting your day off with breakfast is very important. The next thing to know about going to school is to remember to do your homework. Homework is super important because it's a way for us to remember and review all the things that we practiced in school that day. Homework is even practice at home. Practice makes perfect, so we have to remember to do it each and every day. If you're having a tricky time, you should ask a grown-up to help you, because at the end of the day, your teacher just wants to see you try your best. It doesn't have to be right. That's what they're there for. They're going to help you. Another helpful trick and tip before getting ready for school is to get your rest. Getting enough hours of sleep at night is very important. If you don't get enough sleep, or you're up all night watching television, your brain is not going to be ready to absorb all of the fun things and to stay awake during school. And you might miss something super important, and that won't be okay. So make sure that you have a bedtime. Make sure you go to sleep on time. Get all of your hours of rest to be energized for the next day. Even when doing all of these things, eating healthy, getting rest, doing your homework, school can still feel very tricky and really hard. And that's okay. You have to remember to never give up and always try your best. We're not going to be perfect at everything, but we should always try, because you never know what will happen. And I'm pretty sure that all of you Limers will definitely succeed. Limers, I know that school can feel really tricky sometimes, but it's so important. This is my favorite tip, is to have fun. Have fun in everything that you do. School is meant to be a magical place where we learn, share, make friends, and grow. Having fun is the top thing to keep in mind, and I know you can do it. Limers, I am so excited for some of you that are getting ready to go back to school. I really hope that these tips were helpful for you and that you use them before school starts. I am wishing you a very fun, safe, and exciting school year, and I hope that you all remember, the sky is the limit. Until next time, bye.